Hello, hello, hello. This is Els coming to you from Beamish Crafty Corner, and it's Monday. And Monday means what? Monday means Scaventure. That's right. We're going to Scaventure. Well, we went Scaventure. I went Scaventure. I did. You, not you, me. Not you. No, me. I went Scaventure. Let's see what we got. I only got like a little bit of stuff this time, so I'm going to show you, okay? Okay. So the first Scaventure I got was this. Bags. We all know how much I love my bags. Well, I saw this bag and I just had to get it because I had to figure out what was in it. So let's open it up and find out. All right, there. Okay. So there was these things. This looks like somebody made like lacy pom-poms. Oh, we'll have to cut the thread and figure that out because there's a thread right there. So we'll cut a thread. They made a couple of those. Those are in there. And then there's one of these in there. And this is like another, like a rosette. These are like somebody took ribbon and made rosettes out of them. Yeah, because there's fabric. I can see the stitching. Yeah, so these are like, they made like rosettes out of them and make like these little ornaments. But we don't want that. We're just going to cut them apart and make lace. And then there was all this lace in there. Oh, there's two kinds of lace in there. Okay, let's look at this one first. So this was the first one that I saw. I kind of liked it. It was cute. And then there was this one. Oh, yeah. I like this. Oh, very pretty, swirly, lacy stuff. So I got that. Okay, let's see. What else did we get? Okay, lots of bags this week. All right, so I got this bag. Now, I don't know what these are, but they're sealed, and they're still in the boxes. But it says Rainforest Animal Clue Game. Playful natural card games about animals and their lives. 6 games in one for 2 to 30 players, ages 7 to adult, or for me to, get rid of. All right. Hey, man, where'd it go? There it is. All right, let's open this up. Let's see what's in here. Rainforest Animals. That's the instructions, I think. Yep. And there's these cards in here. Let's see what the cards say. All right. Now, I don't usually have a whole lot of luck with cards. Nobody wants to buy them, so we'll see. Rainforest Facts. Okay. All right, so this is a fact card. So these are fact cards. Oh, here we go. So we got parrots and monkeys and crocodiles and mosquitoes and fruit bats. And an anteater and an army ant and a jaguar and a snake and a hummingbird. So we got some of these. So those were cool. I like the cards. They're a nice size. So we'll see. Maybe I'll figure out something to do with the cards. You go in there and that gets closed. All right, and then this one says ocean animals. So let's see what this one is. Shark, starfish, whale, sea turtle, crab. What else? What else we got? Lots of words. I don't like words. Oh, there we go. More pictures. There's a salmon and a seal and an octopus and a reef building coral, and a penguin. I like it. It's kind of neat. Well, we'll have to see what we can do with those. All right, what else do we get? All right, close that up because we don't want to hurt ourselves. Okay, so this is the next one. Okay, so let's do these first. I'll move these all around. See if there's anything else there. Okay, over here. You guys go to the side for a second. Okay, so I got these, and this is actually the alphabet. And it's like the whole alphabet. And then each one has, like, that's got a sailboat and an apple. And there's a quote mark and an exclamation point and a kite and a leaf and a different leaf and an umbrella. And this one's got a dollar sign and a cent sign, and it's numbers. And that's more numbers. So that's the number ones. And then that one's got like a flower and a heart. And this one's got a sun and a tree. And that one has a moon and a palm tree. So you got all the numbers and all the letters of the alphabet in these little blocks. That was cool. So then I got these. And the reason I got these is because I saw these, and they had these like weird sayings. This one says, stamp by your man. This one says, may your dairy godmother grant all your wishes today. And then there was the ship, which was really cool. And this is like a little house, like a teacup house. And then there was this one, which is a giant pirate ship, which is really cool. And then there's this one that says, wow, bully for you. And there was this one that said, you add color to my life. And this one, a thing of beauty is a joy forever. Little feet and lots of ships. And then this one here, which says, thanks a bunch. This one says, I got your stamp right here. This is a fruit basket right there. No, it's not a fruit basket. It's like a hammock. It's a hammock. Okay, it's a hammock. Right. And then there was this one, which was like an old cowboy looking guy who was kind of funny looking. And there was this. And then this one, it says, this tired old mare, she ain't what she used to be. That's the fish. Well, they're like stickers. Yeah, they're stamps. They're like fishy stickers. And they go on these two fishies. And then this one. I'm so old, my memories are in black and white. Oh, that's bad. That's bad. Okay. Greetings from sunny California. And this one goes with this, and it's like a couch with a bunch of pillows on it. And this one says you're full of beans. And this one said, howdy, buckaroo. And this one, I'm all out of ink. This one's a horseshoe, and it says, nag, nag, nag. Let's see what else. And then we got a lamp. And we got this one that says, home, tweet home. That's utter nonsense. And then this one, which is like a fish in, I don't know. Oh, there's a tree, palm tree. And this is like a guy with a whip. And what's this one say? This one says, clippity clop. This one says mustard. This one says ketchup. This is a cow or a cat. It's a cat. Okay. And this one is a boat. And that's the teapot house. So we got all of those. kind of snarky. Okay, and then we got another one, another bag. Okay, let's wait. This one. Let's this one. So this one has got 3 stamps. Up. It's an egg and a chicken, and then a chicken with another. That's cute. Okay, and then this one here, it says, "Holy cow, are you eating again?" Stamp sincerely yours. You know you're really old when you bend down to tie your shoes and wonder what else you can do while you're down there. Uh-oh. You're a peach. We'll stamp for food. Fish, you were here. I have no idea what that says. Ah, angels can fly because they take themselves lightly. My weight is perfect for my height, which varies. Don't worry, keep stamping. Seeds and greetings. Then there's this one, looks like the Pussy Willows, and this frog that doesn't look very happy. And then this one that said, "My advice, doll, pick an age you like and stick to it." This one says, "Yo quiero chocolate." This one says, "Blah, blah, 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 blah." See, I had to get them. They were snarky. There's another frog. This one says, "It's my party and I'll stamp if I want to." This one says, "For my secret sister." This one says, "Happy anniversary from our little nest to yours. Happy birthday from the dynamic duo. And from my pen to yours." This one says, "Thanks a bunch." So I got all of those. All right. Now the next one. Now, this one, most of what's in here, I'm going to just throw in the trash. I'll tell you why. Envelopes. I don't need no more envelopes. I need envelopes like I need a hole in my head. A Texas Instruments calculator. Scientific calculator. Oh, and it works. It comes on, too. Well, I might keep that. Maybe. Who knows? You never know. I might keep it. It turns on. But what I bought it for was these. Now, we'll do this one first. This one says Preferred Security Mortgage on Spring Mountain in Las Vegas. Yep. And then there was this one that said Second Request. This one, which says Borrower's Copy. It's a little crooked. That's okay. This one, which says White Out Not Acceptable. And this one, which said Please Initial. So I got all of those because those are neat. And then, well, and then I saw this. Now, I don't know. Let me get this open. This is called a Color Bach Chipboard Cube Primary. 1,299 chipboard punch-outs. According to the back, it says there's tags, phrases, frames, and letters. 67 sheets in here. So it's all these. We'll pull one. Let's see if I can get one out of here. So it's like this. See? They're like little frames and stuff. And they're chipboard pieces. So I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. Probably just put the whole cube in the auction. but I could say it's pretty much there. It looks like there may be one piece missing up here, but yeah. I also bought a couple of pillows that I'm, Hubbard's out washing right now because the pillows are going to get done. I'm going to show you how to make an easy cover out of those, and that's another video entirely. But, so I got all these snarky stamps. Come on, guys, they were snarky. I had to have them. So I got all these snarky little stamps. This calculator I'll probably throw out, these envelopes, which are gone. And then I got these older stamps, these old hard ones that everybody loves. And I got these, and they're going to go in auction. I don't know. I'm probably going to auction the whole set, like all of them together. And then I got these little alphabet stamps, which are really cool. And this little block. And I got something special I'm not showing you guys. But I'm going to put it in my next auction. And then, because everybody wanted them, and I couldn't keep them in the sale, I went by and I bought some more packages of the mini spritzers. So I will have these available in my next sale as well as in the shop. I bought all they had left inside in the store at the time, but they told me they're getting more. So I grabbed all of these. So we're going to put these in the exhibit shop for you guys, and I'll probably have them in my next sale. So that's what I got. I got lace and stuff and these poofy bally things, and I got all this great stuff. This is what I did today for my Scaventure. Wasn't a lot, but I'm happy with what I got. Okay, so till I see you guys again, do me a favor. If you haven't done this yet, hit that red button and like me, and then ring my bell and share me, because I got all this stuff. Till the next time, guys. Bye-bye.